Once upon a time in a small American town, a man faced hardships and embarked on a journey that would change the course of his life. The story unfolds with a montage of a young Harland Sanders working various jobs, encountering failures and setbacks along the way. We see Colonel Sanders sitting at a table, looking dejected. In the pursuit of his dreams, Colonel Sanders faced numerous failures and obstacles. Despite setbacks, he never lost faith in his aspirations. There was a kitchen where young Colonel Sanders is perfecting his secret chicken recipe. He is then shown presenting it to a restaurant owner. Restaurant owner said, "This is not what we're looking for. Thank you, but no thank you." Colonel Sanders walks out of the restaurant, disappointment evident on his face. Taking a deep breath, he continues his journey. Through countless failures and obstacles, Colonel Sanders never wavered in his belief in his dreams. It was his inspiration and passion for his mysterious chicken recipe that drove his relentless pursuit of success. After years of perseverance, at the age of 65, Colonel Sanders finally found the opportunity he had been seeking. Time came when Colonel Sanders signing a franchise agreement with a local store owner, hope shining in his eyes. Restaurant owner said, "I believe in your recipe, Colonel. Let's give it a try." The grand opening day of the first Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, restaurant is depicted, with the aroma of fried chicken filling the air as customers line up outside. And just like that, Colonel Sanders' dream became a reality. His secret recipe of success finally took flight as KFC restaurants sprouted across the country, each one a testament to Colonel Sanders' unwavering belief and self-confidence. Colonel Harland Sanders, a man who never gave up on his dreams, showed the world that success knows no age. His story continues to inspire generations to never lose faith in themselves and always keep moving forward, no matter the obstacles in the way. The iconic image of the KFC logo fades in, a symbol of Colonel Sanders' enduring legacy. And thus, Colonel Sanders' legacy lives on, a beacon of unwavering determination and the power of self-belief.